Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. I did pretty well. I did took some trades pre-market and during the trading hours. I didn't do much, little few of scalps here and there. So let's see where do we stand here on ES, EMINI. EMINI is making this round, like kind of a round circle here. They will be going down eventually, but we haven't tested this green trend line. Like this is my concern right now. But yesterday, if you see, for our chart, we added this blue trend line here. We poked through this trend line and we went, like we kind of bounced from here. But right now it's like this bounce looks very weak to me. Right now there are chances that like we can little bit drag or get a trading range, or get a very weak day today where the price action is very deceiving and like nothing much is happening. We might try to poke this blue trend line again and then go for the next leg up, make some head and shoulder or something like that. Right now the price action is very 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 we have a possible target here, bull target. Bulls are very weak. They do not want to buy at the high of a range. We have a target here. Bears are not aggressive selling because they know we need to go higher. Why, when they can sell it around this price, why should they sell here? Few aggressive short sellers, they are selling the market right now. It doesn't matter. For them, they are scaling in, and like they are taking their position. So as of now, I think like most of the traders should wait for the breakout. um, uh, let's see how, we need to plan our day. For a day trader, after the market open, first 15 to 30 minute candle can give us some kind of information that are we getting a trading range, are we getting a trend at open, or what. So for me right now it's very neutral. We can do either. We can go higher, we can go lower. The possibilities are equal right now. The higher possibility, what it looks like is, as we have the target here which is very close, we might bounce from here and we go and test this in this month sometime, and then we get a free fall. We have few targets above as well. So for me, I will wait for first 15-20 minutes and see where do we stand, like and what happens overall in a bigger picture. If we go like this, overall in a bigger picture, it's kind of lagging. I don't know if you guys can see as well. It's kind of lagging, and like there is, this guy is also making this kind of a trend line here. So there is this trend line as well here. So there is, but right now I'm not gonna draw that. There are many trend lines can be drawn right now when the situation is something like this, where bulls and bears both are weak, both are not taking any aggressive positions, and we are getting a trading range price action where everything looks possible, where everything looks confusing. So as of now, take your day while the market opens, 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes, wait for it, wait for the right direction, and then go for it. It's more likely a scalping time of the trade. It's not a swing. We cannot get a swing when we have so many close targets. It's all nested. It's all too close. So for me, I'll wait for the open and take my position for 15-20 minutes. Possibility is that we can bounce and we can rally somewhere here, like as oil is looking a little bit aggressive as well. So gold is looking very bearish. So there are chances that we can go and test this sometime this month. So at least I'm hoping to test this 275ish, 2075ish, poke through it and you go sideways and then test this guy here. Let's see what we have in our crude. In a crude oil, this was our breakout point, this dotted line I shared with you guys yesterday. We kind of tested this yesterday, over here, like, and we bounced back. Right now we have few targets here. This is the resistance, which is about 37.24ish. If we took this resistance, the next target will be 38.38, which is a higher probability, because as we see this kind of a price action here, the possibility is the bulls will be going for the next leg up. Let's say we fail here at the resistance. What can be a pullback? I will count it as a pullback buy until 36.44, and after that it'll be a short for the low of the day, for the low of the breakout. Similar, like, over here, we try to break out over here, we try to break out, but we failed, so similar way here, it's kind of dropping here, but I think we have seen a bottom here. We have seen a point where we can see aggressive rally on in oil, and go for next leg up, or everything is on, depends on how bulls will be taking this guy here, which is our about 37.24 ish, and after that, it'll be stop 36.70 will be a stop, and like we will be going for the next leg up. It'll be a free ride upside, like it'll at least touch 38 ish, it'll touch, and we can lock some good gains, on this guy. Let's see what we have in our gold. Gold, we have this trend line here. We have targets below. All these are the targets. It's looking. It's looking like it's going to fall. It's going to fall bad. I need to see it fall 1191, and after that it'll be just be a free fall to test the bottom of this breakout. So as of now, there are chances that we can go much lower, which we can see some kind of a negative here, but before that we need to take this support. The major support is about 1200. If we took 1200, I will be shorting gold, and will be going down, like as of now. That's what it's giving a picture, good luck, everybody. Let's make some good money here, like everything. Crude oil, this guy gold, and your EMINI. Like EMINI is in our breakout mode, so everything is looking so promising that a bull case is strong, bear case is strong, so it never happens that. So for now, as of now, I think we will see some kind of a bounce here. Bounce in this will give us a bounce in crude, and we'll see some kind of a pullback in gold. So get ready, let's make money, and good luck, everybody. I'll see you on my Twitter account. Bye bye.